we have Kanasri Mataji and Ramakumari Mataji. So all our colleagues and my dear children, parents, for everyone, I am wishing you a very happy Independence Day. So in this day, every citizen in India, every citizen should participate in this program, as well as every children should participate in their school level competitions and school level programs. And all you have done that very nice. It seems to be good. Apart of that, I am also singing a song. So next time you can sing and you can practice this. It's good. And now the song is Jaya Jaya Priya Bharat. Jaya Jaya Jaya